In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Zoho Mail. This process is quite straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll have your domain linked and ready to use with Zoho's email service in no time. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Mail homepage. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon, which is your gateway to the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to access the settings. Once the settings menu opens up, you'll need to find and select the anti-spam option. It's a crucial step because this is where you'll manage your domain settings to ensure your emails are properly filtered and managed. In the anti-spam section, you'll see an option labeled Domain. Click on this to proceed. The Domain section is where you can allow or block specific domains, and in our case, you'll be adding your Namecheap domain to the allowed list. Now, at the top of the allowed list, there's an Add button. Clicking this will open a new field where you will type in your Namecheap domain. Make sure to enter the domain name correctly to avoid any issues with email delivery. After typing in your domain, simply click on the Add button to finalize the process. And that's it. Your Namecheap domain is now connected to your Zoho Mail account. A few tips to keep in mind. Make sure you've already registered your domain with Namecheap and have access to both your Namecheap and Zoho accounts. If you encounter any issues, double-check the domain name for accuracy and ensure you followed each step carefully. Connecting your domain to Zoho Mail not only helps in managing your emails more efficiently, but also enhances your business's professional image by using a custom domain for email communications. This integration can significantly benefit your workflow by providing a seamless and secure email experience. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to connect your Namecheap domain to Zoho Mail. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.